I Here I have a 50-inch Samsung TV. So the problem with this TV is when plug on the power, when turn on the TV, the backlight will turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. The TV also will turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. So for this TV, I start the diagnose from this side. So the LVDS is coming here. So it's coming to the left, and from here there's another LVDS going to the right panel. So left, right. So first I release the LVDS here, which is going to the right panel. I release this connector and I plug in the power. So when I plug in the power, the TV is turned on, the backlight is turned on. It's not turning off anymore. It's turning on and stay. But on the screen there's no picture. By looking screen on this section, even this one is connected. So this side there's no picture coming out. No, the screen is empty, no picture. But the backlight is turning on and stay. So means the backlight is okay, power board is okay, main board is okay, and this section of LVDS, this section of LCD is okay. So the problem is coming from here, this section. So on the bottom here, there are okay, by looking here, okay, there are like STV, CLR, CLK1 up to CLK5, 6, 7, 8, and then VSS, VGH, LC1, LC2. So I use a multimeter. So I put one probe on this pin, and then the another probe I move along all the test point. Then I move the one probe to the second point, and then I measure the resistance in all the test point. So by measuring the resistance, all resistance is high. There's no sign of low resistance along this test point. So next is I check all the capacitor. So one probe of multimeter I put on the body, because here the LCD is connected with the ground. So I go through all this capacitor on this section. So by checking capacitor also, there's no capacitor short, all capacitor is good. So the next step that I use is I use the bypass method by using a masking tape here. So this cable is symmetrical, so means from here is going to here, the pattern is symmetrical. So whether bypass here or bypass here, the result will be same. So I bypass this section, but at the end of the day the signal is going to this side also. So I put masking tape here. So I close line 7 to 19, which is 13 line. So I count from here. So I count from this corner. So this corner, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 I stop, and then number 7. So 1 to 6, and then start 7 to 19. I close by using the masking tape, but this one is not this long, it's very short only. The one here is the balance of the tape. So internally I already cut the balance of the tape. So it start from here 1 to 6 is not close. Then starting 7 to 19, close the 13 line here. And after I close the line, So after I close the line, I turn on the TV, and the TV is working good. The picture also good. So now I turn on the TV. Okay, the TV is turning on. So by looking here, okay, the picture come out. Oh, here. The picture is come out, and I test the TV for several times. Turn on, turn off, and there's no line. Screen is good, and picture is good.